Assalamu alaikum dear listeners. Once again welcome back to our YouTube channel Critical Thinking and Research. Today the idea which I am going to present is intellectual freedom. One day I sat and speculate about freedom. We got physical freedom from colonialism, but intellectual freedom is the faraway game. We got the authors who write in English, but the entire research is produced by the intellectual lenses of the West. I observed that our produced knowledge is Eurocentric or Arabocentric, Persian or Turkish. Why we hate our own language, culture, ideas and heroes? We are suffering from the disease of intellectual slavery to the conquerors. We need our own philosophers, theorists, thinkers, painters and writers. We need to break that chain. Don't look towards Persians, Indians, Arabs, Turks, English. We should pursue intellectual independence.